What's up, hustlers? So you want to get into real estate investing, huh? You've watched and studied all of your favorite flippers and you are an expert? You plan on doing a lot of the work yourself to increase the margins. Because after all, it's all about profits. But is that really the right strategy for you?
Oh, wow.
Holy no. Here's a quite comical look at what we encountered when flipping a few houses ourselves.
Been in the house for maybe 10 minutes now, and we're already covered in fleas. So disgusting. I love it. It's on the top side. This is all the yellow that was seeping to the yellow. I got some more drywall. Can you help me?
Help you do what?
The knot out of my shoelace.
I see. A knot of wood.
Water?
Work smarter, not harder.
Have you looked in here, Haley?
No. Oh my god. What is... Stop. Oh my god. Stop!
Wow! That's the biggest one we've seen so far. Wow. I found a new rat nest. It's hard to get this one over here knocked off because it just starts falling off over there. Just rip it and run.
Not a fart, Cody. Oh, more!
Oh, wow.
See, this is his cousin. His cousin got a candy bar. These rats have been absolute thieves. Look at this string. Dude, is this a skeleton?
Yeah, those are bones.
This one went to Mardi Gras also.
Oh no.
Can you imagine a rat running through your house?
There's a rat! Holy no, no, no! That might be a rat also.
Oh, I think it is. Is that? Oh yeah, there's another skull, I think.
Oh my god. Oh my god!
Oh my, it's the whole family, I think.
My god, they just died in the walls. No wonder this place stinks. Oh my god!
You guys can name the other ones.
I don't want to get too attached. I cannot believe this.
This is too hard on my heavy.
I do other things other than just straight paint. I've been demoted to them.
A pecker. Whoa. Whoa. Wilson the snake. Wilson the snake.
Oh my god, just put it in the yard.
Oh.
Nate, what'd you find?
So we stuck the rake into the wall to grab the snake. I didn't pull out the snake, but I pulled out these undies inside the wall. Man, something smells too.
Nate has something to say.
Well, so I noticed, I think those are your guys' Instagram stories, but you guys keep catching me at bad angles. It makes me look like I have a huge beer belly. So anyway, I've decided that I will always have my shirt tucked in now, so I can look sleek in the videos.
What's our predicament here?
Well, my pants are a little loose, but I've already manufactured a new belt loop.
Co, are you having the same problem?
Yeah, because these were in my giveaway pile, because they were too small on me, but now they fit me, so.
These fit. Maybe I need to visit your giveaway pile.
All right, hustlers, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on all of my socials. If you laughed even a little bit, make sure to give it a like. Helps the YouTube algorithm a little bit. and I will see you soon with more flips and real estate investing tips.